Hello folks, welcome to Lester's Custom Truck Shop. On my bench tonight, I have another RCI 2970 N4. This one is for Dexter and it's going to Hawaii. Dexter, this is your RCI 2970 N4. Just getting started on it. Got it hooked up to power. And I'll be doing some preliminary tests before I open it up and start the modifications. You see it still has the RCI sticker on there. That will be gone when I finish. Okay, more to come. Okay, Dexter, there's your old filter, the old ceramic filter right there. I've replaced it with a new narrower crystal filter. Okay, that should help with bleed over. This is only good for AM and FM. It's not sideband. This one here is for sideband. Okay, so far I haven't been able to find a more narrow filter for sideband. We're kind of stuck with what the factory thinks we ought to have right now, which is not that bad. It's about 12.5 to 15 kilohertz wide. But sideband, you know, I mean, there's like 1 kilohertz away from AM. It would be nice if we had a really narrow filter that we could steer, and somebody got on the frequency on AM, we could actually tune them out by just zeroing in on the sideband, much like a lot of the expensive ham radios are. But this one doesn't have that, but it still works really well. Alright, and there's your new capacitors. I got one going there for the voltage regulator and one back here for the DC radio input. Okay, doesn't help the amplifier much, but it does help the radio a little bit. Okay, alright, more to come. Okay, Dexter, got the new crystal filter installed, getting ready to put the shield back in place. This guy here, ready to put him back where he belongs. I wanted to leave it off long enough for me to show you that it was installed. Okay, and got the switches, the holes punched for the switches, and got the switches mounted. They will be labeled. There'll be a label underneath them letting you know what each one does. And still got to do the clarifier mod, install the Ranger noise filter, the high cut filter, and the CP1. Okay, more to come. Okay, Dexter, we are rocking and rolling. Got that guy back in place. Got the upgraded caps mounted. Okay, got your switches all mounted in the back here and wired up. All right, got the high cut and the Ranger noise filter installed. I've done the clarifier mod. I'm getting ready now to install the CP1, which is going to go right over here. Okay. And I'll probably lay it in this open area right here and connect it up to this guy. Alright, more to come. Okay, there it is. The CP1 is all mounted up. Made the changes to the circuit and got it all set up. Alright. There's the inside, last shot. I'm getting ready to put the bottom cover back on it and start doing some testing. More to come. Okay, real quick, got a 500 watt slug on the left side for RMS, that's that meter right there, and a 1000 watt slug for our peak meter. Audio, that's 600 watts peak. Audio, a little over 300, about 320 watts RMS. Okay. That was on upper side. Let's see about AM. Audio. Hello, audio. Audio 1 2 1 2. Audio 1 2. And audio about 600 also on AM peak. Okay, about 250 275 RMS. All right. What else do I need to show you? I think that was it. Alright, more to come. Okay, show you the alignment real quick. I'm on AM right now. 27205. And let's switch to upper side. 206. That's perfect because I'm injecting a 1000 hertz tone. And now lower side should be 204. And there's lower side. I tell you, this damn thing is right on the money. Okay. Alright, let me button it up. It's done. More to come. I forgot to show you the slide. Show you the slide real quick. There's center slot, and I'm turning it all the way clockwise. We went up 1.5. Now I'm going to turn it all the way counterclockwise. We went down about 1.5. Okay, and that's on the clarifier. And that's all you need, because you know you can shift and change frequency digitally with this. So, all right. Okay, more to come. Okay, had a little bit of an interference problem with this capacitor here, so I had to turn it this way instead of back out that way. I need to wait and let the glue gun heat up so I can put some more hot glue in there to make sure it stays in place. And the hot glue, I've told you guys before, is easy to get off with alcohol, isopropyl alcohol or whatever. Just coat it real good with alcohol and let it seep underneath it, you know. And the stuff just turns loose, comes right off. I had somebody tell me the other day that I was a dum-dum. What are you going to do when you need to change a part with all that black shit all over it, dum-dum? Well, I'm not the dum-dum. I think you are. All you got to do is put isopropyl alcohol on it. It turns loose. Even on, you know, boards with the through-hole components, you just put the alcohol on it, and it lets go. I mean, it's easy to get off if you know what the hell you're doing. And all you guys know now, you know, a little bit of alcohol on the hot glue and it will turn loose. All right, that problem's taken care of. I'm getting ready to put the covers back on it, and I'll show it to you after that. More to come. Okay, Dexter, here's the back of the radio. All the switches up means everything is on. Okay, the amp switch, of course, is closest to the heatsink, so you know that it's the amp. The Ranger noise filter is in the middle, and the high cut is the one closest to the speaker jacks. Okay, hopefully that label will stay on there for a while. All right, got the covers back on it, got it all put back together. I showed you where I had to move that capacitor to keep it out of the way. So let's turn it on and get some results, get some checks. I always like to check it again after I get done with everything. Hello. Let's see. Is the amplifier on? Yep, amp is on. Okay, get some of these cables out of the way. I think I've already showed you the output power. Got a 500 watt slug in that guy, and a 1000 watt slug in that guy. So this one will be reading on the bottom scale. Where it says 100, that's actually 1000. Where it says 60, that's 600 watts. Okay, I'm on 27205 upper sideband. Audio, hello, audio, 1 2 1 2, audio 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. And I can see that's killing my little switch power supply up there. It's only a 50 amp, so make sure you have a power supply big enough to hold this thing. Now that was on upper sideband. Let's go to AM. Audio, hello, audio, 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. That's just a little over 600. I'm dead keying, what is that? 300 watts. All right, let's see what happens if I turn RF power all the way down. All right, we're reading on that center scale there. The 10 is 100. So that's probably 20, 30, about 40 watts dead key. Audio, hello, hello, audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And it still peaks over 600. Okay, now I'm going to move RF power up to 12 o'clock. Still dead key in about 250. He wants to back up there. But I think that's the leaky coax in my dummy load. Let's turn it down to about the 9 o'clock position. Okay, at 9 o'clock it dead keys a little over 150. Let's go on down to 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock's about 75, so about 8:30 maybe. 8:30. More like about 8:45. At 8:45, that's 100 watts dead key. Audio, hello, hello, audio, 1, 2, 1, 2, audio. Okay. And if you turn it all the way up, dead key in about 300, swinging to about 6. Now, of course, that was all on AM. Here's lower sideband. Audio, hello, hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, that is the lights on my bench dimming. That power supply is plugged into the same circuit as my fluorescent lights, so it's dimming. I don't have very many AC outlets. Different AC outlet circuits up here. I've only got like 3 separate circuits, all on 20 amp circuit breakers, so but it's done. Let me show you the receive. That's on lower sideband AM. Okay, that's an S9, 5 bars, 5 bars there too. Okay, and I'm on the 300 microvolt scale. Got it set to a 1, so that's 100 microvolts at 30% modulation. Okay. Let me switch to an external antenna, see if we can pick up anything. Let's go to channel 38. Yeah, band's pretty dead. Yeah, it's dead on that guy too. The attenuator's back on just in case I key this monster. Put that on there. Nothing. All right, now that's with both filters on. I'm going to turn the high cut off. Now I'm going to turn range of noise filter off. Okay. See the difference? Alright, going to turn high cut on. That's high cut on. High cut off. Range of noise filter on. Off. So if you turn the noise filter on and high cut on, That's kind of pleasant to listen to. You could listen to that all day. At least for me, I can listen to that all day. I cannot listen to that. That drives me crazy, that frying noise. That's what made me decide to find something to fix that. And this works really well. Okay? Dexter, I sure hope you enjoy your new radio. It was my pleasure to build it for you. 73s, everybody.